Hi, I'm back again with another episode on Mind Body Souls. My name is Diptii and I am the founder owner of Mind Body Souls. So this is a space where we discuss about spirituality, about manifestation, self-help, self-esteem, law of attraction, personality development, achieving your goals and such amazing things. If you're interested in these topics, then you're welcome and let's continue. Today we are going to be discussing about scripting. If you have seen the previous video, you will understand that I am a huge fan of scripting. I have like tons and tons of books which have been accumulated over the years, wherein I have written in and out about everything. Okay. But today we are going to be discussing majorly about scripting. So what is scripting? So according to me, scripting is, pulling out those things from your imagination which you want to achieve, the direction in which you want to go, and writing it down in a journal. Okay. Why do we write? Why can't we just type, or why can't we just think? Well, the answer is very simple. When you are thinking, I don't think there is clarity. At least with me, I have noticed that things are not very clear. But when you're writing it down, you have to be specific. You have to get clear about where you're headed. Those numbers, those places, you need to come up with names. There is more clarity in writing. Also, there is a science behind the fact that if you write down things, right? If you write down your goals and if you wanted to manifest, that somehow, the writing itself somehow has a magical power, because they say that your handwriting is very unique to you. Like no two people have similar kind of handwriting. So it kind of adds that special you touch, and you are putting in your own energy when you're writing. Well, there are 4 or 5 different components that I like to personally include when I'm scripting. I do the writing in present tense. I try to include as many affirmations as possible. I like to end my scripting with a note of gratitude and a feeling that it's already been done. All of this is helping us get into that high vibe. And if you are a person who's consistent over here, you know that high vibes are really important for you to manifest things. We always manifest from a point of high vibration, good thoughts, quality thoughts. I love to play around with colors, to draw. I am not at all a good artist, so that makes it so much more funnier and so much more unique. I like to do a lot of drawings in my scripting. That again helps me to put my own energy to that page, my own sense of uniqueness to that page, and I'm so much more involved. So I love the ideas of drawing things out and then scripting. I think this is one way of getting 100% involved with your scripting work, which is necessary. You cannot do it mechanically. You have to be involved with what you're doing. You have to be 100% present. That's when it pays off. This method is wherein we presume that our goal is already accomplished. So we are, the goal is already done with and dusted. We have already achieved it. Now, how are we feeling? So it would go something like, I would do it this way. I would be like, dear universe, I feel so wonderful now that so and so and so project has been done, has been taken care of. I feel so good. I see my clients smiling, getting inspired, transforming their lives, and it gives me a high. I see the money in my bank account. I see my automated courses selling on. So so and so and so platform. So I write out the details. How does it make me feel? How does it make me, the physical aspects and the emotional aspects, to as much detail as possible. And I do it with a presumption that my goal has already been achieved.